Hello, fellow freelancers. It's been a while since I've been able to say that to you. And I wanted to, what's that back? See, this is the thing. I haven't made videos in a while, and it's just been because I've been super busy. And so, as you can see, I'm taping this on my phone, and I won't have time to do any, editing or whatever. But I really wanted to get this message out to you. Check out my new bookcase, by the way. We finally received all my books, and so I have the bookcase here. And I had to double do it because we have too many books. So there are 2 layers for these. So I need to get a new bookcase. But anyway, I wanted to talk about a couple things. First of all, why you haven't talked to me in a while, why I haven't talked to you, I should say, in a while. And secondly, about the new videos that are coming out, because I think they're very interesting. Actually, you know what? I'll talk first about the new videos coming out because I don't want you to feel like I'm keeping you waiting or something. And that's the interesting part. The new videos that are coming out, first of all, in 2 days, I hope, we're going to have a new series starting. And this new series is, I think, the ideal video series for freelance translators. I was trying to think what would be the ideal situation, the ideal thing to have when you're starting off as a freelance translator. And quite frankly, I think it would be someone else who's starting off as a freelance translator, sharing their process in real time as they go from beginner to a successful freelance translator. So that's exactly what we're doing. Lucas is his name, and he's going to introduce himself in 2 days, and so he'll tell you more about himself. But that's basically what he's doing. He's starting off now as a freelance translator, and he's going to be documenting everything that he goes through, from applying, from, his CV, from doing stuff like that. And he's going to be sharing it with you guys. I think it'll be super helpful, super interesting, super useful. And so, feel free to check it out in 2 days again. If you hit the notification bell, then you'll get notified, since we're making videos again. And that's not all. We have other series along the way. We have 2 other people that are making videos, and one possibly. And so along those lines, if you know anyone who would be interested in making videos, or who you think will be good for videos, or who you would like to see videos of, then absolutely feel free to let me know. I'm happy to get in touch with anyone and talk to them about it, and we can take it from there. So this is whether sharing your experience or teaching something, or it can be, for translation, or also just freelancing in general, about working remotely, or, dealing with clients remotely, stuff like that. Whatever it might be, feel free to get in touch and let me know. And I'm happy to talk about it with anyone. And again, we can take it from there, whether it's 1 or 2 videos or a series of videos, however you want to do, we can figure something out. I think it'll be interesting. As long as this channel can provide value, and as long as it can help freelance translators, that's what I want to do. And I really feel like my content is the content that's out. I have a lot of content. I have close to 1,000 videos, I think, but it's old. I have, some video from like 8 years ago, and it's obviously outdated at this point. So it's good to get new blood in and new stuff going. And that's what I want to do. And, that's pretty much it. Now let me get into why I haven't been making these videos lately. Let me switch my hand because my hand's getting tired. And the reason I haven't been doing them is, the short answer is I've just been super busy. As you can see, we've moved now to Taiwan, and work has been keeping me very busy, and I've been working on these other projects. And it's just been taking up all my time. And that's pretty much the long and the short of it. These videos, I do them because I like to do them. I don't, this isn't how I earn a living. And, as you can tell, I'm not a videographer, and, but I really like to do them. I like to provide value. I like to share my experience with other people. And I just haven't been able to do that. I haven't had the time. So I'm hoping we get this fresh blood. We get, new people doing this. They can share more up-to-date stuff that's more relevant to you. And I think you can get a couple different perspectives, and I think it'll be really good. So that's what we're doing. That's what you can expect from this channel from now on. So you will see videos finally again on this channel, and they should be quite interesting. They should be a bit different. And once again, if you know anyone who you think would be interesting, to watch, anyone whose video you'd like to see, and you'd like to see them featured and talking about this, that, and the other, feel free to let me know. And, we can take it from there, and let's see if we can make it happen. But, that's pretty much it for now. And otherwise, remember, in 2 days time, Lucas' video will be out, and, he will talk about his journey as a freelance translator, or setting out to become a freelance translator. and in real time. So be sure to follow it and, and encourage him and give him some help if he needs it along the way. And that's about it. Otherwise, I'll talk to you next time. Okay, thanks. Bye. Savidum.